Hey guys, so today I've got a bit of a concept to work off of. I am sure this has definitely been done before. I didn't see anyone in particular do it. I'm sure it's been done before though, because like it's a very basic idea. But I was thinking to use the James Charles palette and do kind of like a red smoky eye, like a very vibrant red, using tones like this and this and this and a little bit of this, and then with the inner corner to be a pop of yellow. So that is what I'm going to pretty much do. I hope it goes to plan. And as you can tell, I have my base on, and I'm not going to get into it because I have done it in most of my other videos previous. So if you want to see how I do it, it's the same technique as before, and I'll have all of the products I used in the description down below. Oh, I do want to mention my highlight though, because I absolutely love how this looks. So it's a mixture between the Amrezy highlighter with ABH that looks like this. It's so beautiful, and it is swatched right here. And then I have Becca's Dreamsicle, which looks like this. I mixed the two of them, and the Becca one is right there, and then right here is the two of them mixed, as well as on my face. And I actually really love how this looks. I think that'd be like my perfect highlighter, these two as one. That'd be bomb. Okay, so first I'm going to take this fluffy brush. It's an Morphe M441 brush. It's honestly my favorite blending brush. If you can't tell, I use it like every single time that I do makeup. I really need to get more of these. So I'm going to take this brush and the shade Rusted. Again, that's from the James Charles palette. And I'm going to smoke that out as my kind of like transition color. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. Next, using the same brush, I'm going to take the shade You Are Kidding and put that just slightly lower than we did with Rusted. I'm going to take this denser brush, the contour brush from e.l.f., and go in with Rusted just to further pack that on. Now that that's nice and packed on there, I'm going in with the brush we just finished using before that, and I'm going to blend that out. Next, on this Morphe M562 brush, I'm taking the shade Boutique, and I'm going to put that even lower than I did the shade You're Kidding. taking the brush from earlier and blending out that edge. On the same M562 brush, I'm going to take the shade Benny and use that to just darken out the outer V of the eye. And using the M441 just to blend that out again. On this small shadow brush from Vanity Planet, I'm taking a mixture of Punch Me and Canvas just to put underneath the brow bone to brighten it up a little bit and take away some of the drama, especially on the inner corner. I'm taking You're Kidding on this flat Morphe brush that has no name, and I'm going to press this onto my lid. As you can see, there's quite a bit of fallout from that, so I'm going to go in with the brush that I had my setting powder on and dust that off. I'm just going to do exactly what I did on the top, on the bottom, and then I'll be right back. So I forgot to hit record, but I took 518 and took it kind of like all around the entire eye, and now I'm going to go in with this lip brush from Vanity Planet with the shade B and really pack that in the inner corner. I'm gonna put a little bit of flashback down because it's not as bright as I want it to be right now. So by putting this white base down, it will have a brighter base as is, so then the yellow will then look brighter. Now I'm going back in with B, which is that yellow shade. So that yellow still isn't bright enough for what I want, so I'm taking a little bit of the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk on the back of my hand, and I'm going to lay that down as a base for the yellow. That way it should really pop. And now I'm gonna put that yellow over top. Okay, that is already working a lot better. I'm gonna go line my eyes using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On eye pencil in the shade Perversion, as well as the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper. And then I will be right back. So for mascara, I'm going to use Too Faced Better Than Sex, and for lashes, I'm going in with my AU Beauty lashes again, just because I'm honestly obsessed with them. They're all I've been wanting to wear lately, so I'm just going to wear them. And I'm going to do those off camera just because they are such a hassle to put on. Like, not these specific lashes in general, just lashes are difficult for me to put on in general. So I've got 3 different lip options. I have the Tarteist lip paint in Rose. I have 2 Jeffree Star lipsticks in Redrum and Unicorn Blood. So let's see. I feel like I'm gonna go with Unicorn Blood, and maybe if I feel something's missing, I might put Redrum in the middle. I'm just gonna do this off camera. So I did end up ombreing the 2 of them with Unicorn Blood on the outside and Redrum on the inside. So this is the finished look. I'll give you an up close right now. So this is what the finished look looks like up close. I actually really like how it turned out. Oh, I also put some of the highlighter on the inner corner as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave it a thumbs up and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified of every time I upload. And don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. I'll see you next Wednesday, and I hope you guys have a great time. Until then, bye!